If you, like me, you enjoy the occasional poached egg from time to time, and you've always used the swirly, stirry water method, and it worked for you, but you've always wondered how places like catering kitchens, hotels, cruise ships turned out hundreds of poached eggs each day. Surely they can't be using the swirly, stirry method. Or do they have a poor kitchen trainee just stirring a large pot of water and throwing each egg at a time? Surely there must be a better way, and I found it. And you can use it at home. You will need a large pot of water. In my case, I used about 2 liters. To that, we're going to add some distilled white vinegar. You can use any vinegar you have, it doesn't impact the taste. You just need good vinegar. We used about 1 cup of vinegar. It should be enough for the amount of water we have. Stir that in. Then crack your eggs into the water and let the water and vinegar do the magic. Making sure that each egg doesn't stick to each other. Depending on the size of pot you have, crack in enough eggs to fill it up. In my case, with the size of pot I have, I could have cracked in 3 eggs. I'm sure there is something going on with the eggs here, some science thing that need to take effect. So leave the eggs like this for at least 10 minutes. Let the science do its part. In the meantime, prepare your pot of water, making sure that it's boiling hot. Turn off the heat and leave it like this, ready to receive the eggs. What you will be doing is simply picking up the eggs in large enough spoon with the water, just like this, making sure that you collected all the parts of the egg. Some of the whites might be still down there, but try to pick most of it. Then all you have to do is gently place it into the hot water, just like that. You might be wondering what impact the vinegar will have on the eggs, but trust me, it will have nothing. Your eggs will taste perfect. Let the egg sit in the lukewarm water for about 3 to 5 minutes maximum if you want that runny yolk. As you can see in real time, I never needed to turn on the heat. I kept the water warm and it was doing the job perfectly. Also worth mentioning, never add salt to your water vinegar mixture or to your boiling water. Salt will be added at the end when your poached eggs are done. This is a sped up version of the cooking time. I left them there for about 5 minutes. In the end, this is the result. Now, for restaurants and caterers, there are many methods for storing these eggs. If you're interested in knowing them, let me know in the comment. But for our home use, you will eat them immediately. So no need for any storage tips. You can serve those eggs in any way you like. I like them on a slice of toast with some chives and a very runny yolk. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoy it, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with your friend who always enjoys or prefers a poached egg.